Hi, it's Kirsten from WTI. If you want to completely make over your bedroom with one simple step, I highly recommend this 4-piece duvet cover set from the brand Zeyekuku. This is in the chevron print, and I absolutely love this set so much. First of all, this print is so nice. It's a bit of a nautical feel in an otherwise very neutral bedroom. I just love that pop of color. I love the fact as well that it's reversible. So it's basically 2 sets in one. If you get tired of a bit of a busy print, you can definitely flip it over, and the gray is so nice and soothing. It's a really nice color. As well, I really love the fact that this set included a fitted sheet. So that's something you don't see in all duvet cover sets. I love the fact that you can definitely see the fitted sheet because it does peek through, and I love the cohesion that everything matches. It just looks so sharp. This cotton is so soft. We don't sleep with an extra sheet, so it's our fitted sheet and then the duvet cover, and it's so soft. It's also a little bit cooling, which I personally like as I do get quite warm at night. So it is a really, really comfortable cotton. It washes so well, and getting the duvet in was so easy. I detest buttons on duvet covers. This zipper was so easy to work, really smooth, so easy to insert the duvet. It also had the ties on the corner to keep the duvet in place. The fitted sheet as well has really deep pockets. It fit our mattress extremely well. I have nothing but good things to say about this duvet cover. It is also like a really gender neutral print, so great for men, for women. I just really love this look in my bedroom. It definitely makes it look a little bit more upscale, and you just can't beat this value. This cotton is so soft and comfortable. I know you're going to love it as well in your bedroom, but that's just my point of view.